today we're going to discuss what goes into your housing payment.
That's right. So there's a couple things. First off is going to be your principal and interest of the loan amount. What else do we got in there, Steph?
You are going to have your homeowners insurance and any additional insurances. So say your home is in a floodplain, you will have to pay additional insurance for that. So that will be included in your monthly housing payment. What else?
You have your monthly property taxes. So your taxes are paid every 6 months. Those are going to be divided by 12 and put into your payment as well. And then in some instances, depending on down payment, you will maybe have private mortgage insurance or mortgage insurance. So,
all right. So what's an easy way to remember that?
PITI. What does that mean?
Principal, interest, taxes, and insurance.
That's right. That's your mortgage payment.
Thanks for tuning in.